Hello, my friends. Today we will start the chapter number 3, that is the understanding of quadrilaterals. Okay, before starting up this chapter, you must know about some basic concept. What are the basic concept? Okay, let's discuss some basic concept. The first is the line segment. Now, what do you mean by the line segment? Line segment are a straight line having the two end points. आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ यू अवेयर अबाउट द लाइन सेगमेंट, क्लास 7 में पढ़ा होगा. तो क्या होता है, दिस इज द स्ट्रेट लाइन हैविंग द टू एंड पॉइंट्स. दिस इज द ए बी, ए वन एंड पॉइंट एंड बी इज द एंड पॉइंट. दिस इज द स्ट्रेट लाइन, दिस बिकम द ए बी इज द लाइन सेगमेंट. ओके, द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज द पॉलीगन. what is the meaning of polygons? Now here I splitted the polygon, poly plus gon. What's the meaning of poly? Poly means the many. Many means what? Two or more than two. If anything two or more than two होंगे, then that is considered as the poly. Now what's the meaning of guns? Guns means the sides. Polygon, the combined meaning of polygon is the many side. But whom? ये पॉलीगन्स किसके लिए यूज होता है? क्या सबके लिए हो सकता है या किसी स्पेशल फिगर या पिक्चर के लिए होता है? Actually, polygons is a special word which is used basically in mathematics only. Okay, especially now in the mathematically how to define the polygons? Mean a polygon is a closed figure made of line segment. Made of the line segment. Okay, it's so simple. Polygons are the closed figure made of the line segments. That much. Okay, but there is a question arise for a polygon. Now what will be the minimum sides? एक polygon बनने के लिए कितने minimum side होने चाहिए? I think you know that one. Now look here. Can form the one side, from the one line segment, can a closed figure can be possible? No, never. From a single line segment there cannot be a one single line never form a closed figure. Now come to the second one. Now here I am taking the two line segments. Now see the picture. Can this two line segment form a closed figure? No. Why I am talking about the closed figure? Because for the polygon, the first main thing must be the figure close. Figure must be the close one, and second is the close and made of the line segment. Here I am taking the line segments. When I took the one line, it is not making a closed figure. Again, when I am taking the two line segment, again this is not making a closed figure. For this one, so for one line and for the two line segment, there will be the not possible for making of a polygon. Now I am taking the three side. Now these are the three side. Can we make three closed figure by taking the three line segment? Yes, we can make a closed figure by taking the three line segments. Okay, so what can you say? Means for the lowest for the making of the polygon, there will be the minimum three sides. कितने साइड होना चाहिए polygon बनने के लिए? 3 साइड होना चाहिए. So the lowest polygon will be a triangle. Okay, is it clear? मेरे ख्याल से समझ में आ गया होगा कि polygon बनने के लिए मिनिमम कितने लाइन सेगमेंट की जरूरत पड़ेगी? 3 लाइन सेगमेंट की जरूरत पड़ेगी. Okay, now come to the next topic, the types of polygon. The types of polygon always on the basis of the number of sides. जो पॉलीगन्स का टाइप लिखेंगे वो किस पे लिखेंगे, किस बेसिस पे लिखेंगे हम लोग? नंबर ऑफ साइड्स के. Now a polygon having the 3 side is called the triangle. A polygon having the 4 side is called the quadrilateral. Quad means 4, lateral means side, जिसके बारे में हमें क्लास 8 में अभी पढ़ना है इस चैप्टर में. Again for the 5 side, the 5 side polygon is called the pentagon. 6 side is called hexagon, and like that so on. Now next one is the diagonals. I think all of you are aware about the diagonals. Diagonals क्या होते हैं? How to define a diagonal? Actually, diagonals is a line segment connecting two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? जो डायगोनल्स होते हैं वो कनेक्ट करते हैं, किसे कनेक्ट करते हैं? टू इज द टू नॉन कंजिक्यूटिव वर्टिसेस ऑफ अ पॉलीगन. नाउ व्हाट्स द मीनिंग ऑफ कंजिक्यूटिव? इन हिंदी द कंजिक्यूटिव मीन्स द लगातार, लेकिन डायगोनल होने के लिए जो कनेक्टिंग पॉइंट है वो लगातार नहीं होनी चाहिए. फॉर अगर मैं नंबर के बारे में बात करूँ, 1 2 3 1 2 3 आर द कंजिक्यूटिव नंबर्स, लगातार है नंबर्स है. बट 1 3, can 1 and 3 will be the consecutive? No, these are the non-consecutive numbers 1 3. Okay, and the vertices means the joining point of the two segment. जैसे कि यहाँ पे देख लो ना, RS and RQ is the two line segment, and these two line segments are joined at the point R, so R will be the vertices. Okay, now next one. I think all of you get the definition of the diagonal. A diagonal is a line segment connecting two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon. Now we understand this by the diagrams. Now I have taken the 5 diagrams, different diagrams here. Now I will make the diagonals. Diagonals क्या था? If I am taking the point B, okay. Now for the point B, what are the consecutive points? A and C. A and C are the consecutive points of the B, but diagonals always connect the non-consecutive vertices. Okay, now vertices here the A, B, C, D. The point A, B, C, D are called the vertices of this diagram. That is why it's looking like a rectangle. Okay, now if I taking the B, then I am joining the non-consecutive. Here for B, D will be the non-consecutive, so there will the one diagram. This BD will be the one diagonal. Okay, now again from the C, for C what will the non-consecutive vertices? For C, D and B are the consecutive, but A is not. So when I am joining the C to A, it's become again a diagonal. Okay, now come to this part. Now for this figure, this is the PQRS. For the PQRS, for P, S and Q are the consecutive points and R not. So P and PR will be the one diagonal, and also RSQ will be the another diagonal. Now see the third diagram. Now first I am taking the point E. Just take the point E. Now what are the non-consecutive points of E? For E there is the F and H is the consecutive points, but not G. So EG will be the one diagonal. Any more diagonal can be possible? Okay, let's see. For H, E and H will be the consecutive vertices, but F is not. So we have, when we join S to F, so FH will be the diagonal. Okay, now look for the fourth one. Here I am taking the point A. Now what will be diagonals? For A, F and B will be the consecutive, and C, D, E are not the consecutive. So we can make a diagonal AC by joining A to D, by joining A to E. Okay, now for point A, AC, AD, AV will the diagonals. From point F also we can do the diagonal. Now instead of F I am taking the B. From B we can draw diagonals. Okay, now for B, A and C will be the consecutive side, but diagonal are always drawn from the non-consecutive points. For B, what are the non-consecutive vertices? D, A, E and F. So BD one diagonal, BE another diagonal, and from F to B is the another diagonal. Okay, same we can draw from C, D, E, F, A. Okay, I think this is clear. Now move to the next last diagram. Okay, now here how to draw the diagonals. Okay, the same concept. Choose one point and join this point to the non-consecutive sides. Okay, is the I, J, K, L, M, and here is the N. Now for I, what is the non-consecutive side vertices? For I, L, K, L and M are the non-consecutive vertices. So IK will be the one diagonal, I will be with the another diagram, and IM also the other diagonals. I think all of you get the concept. I hope all of you it is clear that how we draw the diagonals.